Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying credentials and two-factor access. This avoids lockouts later. Once done, open Chrome and switch to desktop mode, so Icloud. Com behaves like on a computer. Make sure your Android is online and not routing through restrictive VPNs because Apple checks device signals. You sign in with your Apple ID and approve the 2FA prompt on a trusted Apple device or via SMS. This step gives you the session token that lets the browser access mail, contacts, and Drive files, so don't skip verification. Once signed in, you'll see the iCloud web interface. Switch to Photos or iCloud Drive for files. You can select individual items and download them directly to Android storage. Long press for multi-select to speed things up. For contacts, export as a vCard, VCF, from the Contacts app and import to Google Contacts. This preserves groups and phone formats. You'll want to move large media over Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. If you need mail, set up forwarding or use a map settings in your Android Mail app for continuous sync. Finally, make sure you preserve copies by uploading transferred files to Google Drive or a backup folder on your phone. This prevents accidental loss. If you want ongoing mail access, create an app-specific password in your Apple ID account and use map settings in your Android Mail app. This keeps sync reliable. If something goes wrong, check the two-factor prompt on your trusted device, clear the browser cache, or try a different browser. And if sign-in blocks persist, generate an app-specific password and retry immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.